Hello dear, so now we are going to discuss about the most beautiful element of art, that is color. Do you know what is a color? It's actually the property of an object that is a which produce different sensations to the eye. And why this is happening? Because when light falls on an object, it emits some wavelength, and that happens to our eyes and see it as colors. Okay, so this is the only element that involves light. Okay, so what we have to say is, according to this wavelength, we are naming these colors, and we need to know how we are seeing this color, right? So as I said before, the light have already seven colors are there, the seven component colors are there. So now you can see the sunlight or any light, let it be. So it's coming with all the seven colors and falling on over an apple. Okay, and for the wavelength, it's going to reflect only the red color. Okay, and that only the red color is coming and falling and into our eyes. Okay, all the other colors are absorbed by the apple or the apple surface. Okay, so then we will see the apple in red color. Now just assume it's going to be a lemon, then only the yellow color will be reflected, and if it's a green lemon, only green color will be reflected. All the other six colors will get absorbed. This is how we see colors, and more about it you will learn in the physics. We don't need such detail for our arts. Okay, so now let's focus on the art. For arts, we are calling the rainbow colors are the VIBGYOR. You need to know the name of these seven component colors of the light, and we will split these seven colors into into a category, or the colors or the basic colors, all the colors into a category, into two category now. As of now, because it's a lot, now we are splitting it into two category, that is primary colors and secondary colors. So a primary color, if I say what is a primary color, it is actually these colors, these three colors. There are red, yellow and blue. These three colors can't be made by mixing any other colors. That's why it is called a primary color. You need these three primary colors for everything. And any color mixed by making these three colors. That is, if you intermix these three primary colors, you will get three secondary colors. So the primary colors are just as pure, you can't make it by mixing any colors, and the secondary colors you can make only by mixing primary colors. So that's two things we will learn, and we can do it now. I will show you, and you can also try yourself. So just take a paper, and maybe watercolor will be fine for this. So I will just start with the yellow, the primary color yellow, and next primary color is the red, and then the blue. Okay, these three colors I will be applying now. These are the three primary colors. These three colors can't be made by mixing anything. Now we will see the secondary colors. So the secondary colors, as I said, to be formed by mixing any two primary colors. Okay, so now first we will mix the red and yellow here, and red and blue we have to say, and we have to do yellow to blue as well. Okay, so we will get three secondary colors. Okay, first we will see yellow and red, and then yellow and blue, and red and blue. Okay, so now let's start that. Again, I took some blue for mixing with yellow and red. Okay, so first let's see blue plus yellow. So this blue plus yellow, if we mix it in properly, you will get a shade of green. So green is another secondary color. Mix properly and you will see that it's gradually turning to green color. This red and blue, okay, you can see we are slowly getting a violet color. Neatly we are getting that. Okay, a dark violet shade I got. Next is red plus yellow. That is what we have to see. Next is red plus yellow, if you see. Done with yellow. Now I'm adding some red, and yes, we got an orange shade. Okay, so now you know this green, violet and orange, these are the secondary colors because we got them by mixing these primary colors. So anytime if you run out of orange color, just mix some primary colors like red and orange. If you run out of green, you can make it, and purple also you can make it. So just keep this in mind always, how to get all these colors. Just keep it in mind, like primary color plus primary color gives you secondary color. Alright. And this can also be classified as warm color, complementary color, analogous colors, and a lot of this tertiary colors. Everything is there. We can learn it on the upcoming sessions, upcoming batches. That's it. So if you have any doubt, just keep asking me. That's it. Take care, dears.